As pet owners, we all know the joys and challenges that come with our furry friends. And let's be honest, when you have big dogs, the potential for big destruction is always there. One day, our neighbor's cat Eli had the sheer audacity to walk down the sidewalk in front of the house, and our two girls, Layla and Keisha, both lost their minds. Much chaos ensued as they tried their best to go through the honeycomb cellular shades to get to Eli. The cat walked away unscathed, but unfortunately, the shades didn't fare so well. The fabric survived the ordeal, but the loop cord that lowers the top down didn't stand a chance against 200 pounds of excited Great Pyrenees. Instructions for replacing a continuous loop cord on these select blind shades don't seem to exist anywhere, so today I'm going to show you how easy this project is. Hi, this is Steve DeMasi, and welcome to Uncharted DIY. While I'm demonstrating with these select blind shades, the process will be similar for most blinds and shades. Select Blinds doesn't seem to have replacement cords or instructions on their website, so I measured the broken cord and ordered a replacement of the same length. I got mine on Amazon for under $10 with one-day delivery. You can find a link in the description for the exact cord that I used. With the new cord in hand, let's get started. First, unscrew the tensioner or tensioners if you have dual controls like this one. This way they aren't connected to the wall when you remove the blinds. If possible, raise the shade all the way up to make removal and handling easier. Depending on the width of your blind or shade, you may have 2 or 3 mounting clips. For these 71-inch shades, there are 3 clips. These clips work by pressing on the tab to release them. They can be pretty stiff. With the clips released, rotate the blind upward to disengage it. Holding it near the center will keep it balanced so it doesn't try to twist out of your hand like this. Once the shade is removed, look for these 2 tabs that hold the clutch cover end cap onto the headrail. Use your fingernails or a small tool to gently lift these tabs and remove the cover. There's a loose roller ring inside the cover. Take this off and set it aside so it doesn't roll away to never be seen again. Instead of removing the clutch assembly, insert the cord through the opening in the cover and feed the cord loop around the slotted ring. If it doesn't quite turn enough, lift the headrail up a bit to provide more slack. Test the cord to make sure it's working smoothly before sliding the roller ring back onto its pin and snapping the cover back on. The cord tensioner needs to be put on the new cord loop. Gently pry open the tensioner with a wide blade or butter knife. Unsnap the upper portion of the 2 halves. Remove the semicircle piece and insert the cord. There are tabs in the tensioner halves that slip into the semicircle to keep it in place. To provide space for the semicircle to engage with the tabs, pull back on the spring-loaded screw mounting hole. Rehang the shader blind, snapping it back into the hanging brackets. With the shade rehung, I noticed that the intermediate rail was crooked. Using a Phillips screwdriver, I turned the lift cord adjusters to raise and lower the rail until it was level. The bottom rail also has these adjusters. Reattach the cord tensioners, and that's all there is to it. Now, step back and admire your handiwork. Nice job! If you found this video helpful, please like and comment so YouTube will share this with more people. This is Steve, and thanks for watching Uncharted DIY.